Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 8i. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. At the beginning, let's open the camera. So, in the main screen we've got modes like Aperture, Night, Portrait, Photo, Video and more. In more we can enter HDR, Panorama, Super Macro, Stickers, High Resolution, Time-Lapse and Pro. Let's start with Aperture. In Aperture we can set obviously Aperture between 0.95 to 60. Then we've got Night Mode. In Night Mode we can zoom. And in Portrait Mode we can set Beauty Mode between 0 and 10. Next we've got Photo. In Photo obviously you can zoom, zoom in and zoom out. We can enable AI lens. Turn on or off AI camera and flashlight. Also we can change modes. In video mode we can zoom in and zoom out and turn on flashlight. Let's check modes like HDR, Panorama, Super Macro, Stickers, High Resolution, Time-Lapse and Pro. Now let's enter settings. In settings we can change aspect ratio. We can turn on audio control and capture smiles. Also we can change video resolution, frame rate, turn on or off assistive grid, horizontal level, timer. We can add watermark, location tag, or we can mute the shutter and set ultra snapshot. And the last thing is floating shutter button. And that's it for camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.